Okay.
Hey, what support am I playing?
I guess
Ana,
I'm playing.
I'd say.
Wait, Japax, are you playing support or am I?
I'm gonna play sports. I can play any sport.
Okay, if you say so.
But I thought you were the projectile.
Yeah, should we not have one of the hit
Yeah,
scan
but, like,
DPS
my-
on Anna?
Yeah, we should probably get a hit scan. I'll
Yeah.
do it. I'll do it. Get
Yeah.
off on her. Get the fuck off on her!
Get off, Annie! Fucking
Go on, do
weird.
it!
Play Doomfist, you fucking whore.
This is
Oh,
a
dirty,
Scrim environment, by the way. This is a Scrim environment. Alright, what are we playing?
My god, when we're looking at the VODs, that'll literally be the first thing that comes up. What's
Guys,
the
what's the
Sombra
plan?
scout, guys?
We need a plan!
Snoop! Snoop's the only person who needs to change.
Play cats. Oh,
Two what?
Yeah, Tracer maybe? I don't know, yeah. Sure, that one.
I don't know, I fucking hate Tracer, never play Tracer.
You hate Tracer? Oh,
Could
do you
be
play
Sombra.
Genji or
Could be
Sombra?
Sombra
Or...
again.
Kidding, dude, I'm Tracer main.
Rip. Feels bad, dude.
Just don't get hacked, LMAO.
Watch the Sombra scout, yeah.
Dude, we can't actually hide unless we just get a May.
Well, we can all go behind these poster things back here.
It is a Snooper's opportunity to show why he should be in. Why he should have been into to start with. Just straight up. Yeah.
Skeet and skeet.
Is that a Pharah? Is that a Zarya? That's, yeah, Zarya.
What the fuck? That sounded so female.
I think he might be holding point, judging from where those Zarya projectiles were coming from.
yeah, they have a Ryan on high ground with Junkrat.
Junk.
Okay.
They're all on
Widow.
Okay, go right side, guys. Right side, right side. Goatee,
What the
goatee.
fuck, monkey?
Alright.
Come on!
What?
I mean, we were going right side.
We were going up
Okay,
there.
okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Oh shit, no we're not, I guess. Okay.
Call good, call.
Just help point. We can dive Diana.
I'm pink.
Are you ready to go Diana?
I'm on Widow, she's alone.
I'm stunned! Peel me!
Ryan is on the low ground by himself.
Huge peel, huge peel.
Ryan Zarya on the low ground.
Rain one.
Dude.
Nice, huge.
Zarya next.
One
Or Anna.
Zarya on point.
Junkrat's still on top, Junkrat's still on top. Mercy can I. Mercy one.
Mercy's one.
Widow.
We're on the left.
Reloading?
Zarya's behind points on the...
Junk's on the high ground.
Alright. Zarya can take
Nice.
this
Speak
one.
for reals.
I'm in a trap.
Oh my god, I did so much.
I'm gonna go with the dick.
Boys, my honor's nuts!
Yeah.
That was strange. What rank
Alright,
was this?
support the snake point.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're Ryan fed hard though. That's
At the same
kinda...
point, Anna can push forward.
Ryan's on top.
They're still on Widow,
Still on
Widow
Widow and Junkrat.
Focus on comms here, guys. Clean comms.
Yeah, clean.
Ryan's on high ground.
They've X-ray.
Alright, then actually just
X-ray until 445. X-ray until 445.
Just
Nice
keep
call.
pushing.
Did they pop balls or I'm tripping?
Widow's on the bridge.
Widow's on top.
Ryan's jump down.
I
I'm
have Nano.
gonna jump the Mercy on the high ground in 3,
Give
2,
it
1.
to Winston.
Oh, with the right side. He's on the bridge right now.
On the garden. Nice sleep up.
Widow's
Widow's
dead.
supports.
Diva, peek for reals. Right one.
I'm not low,
Reloading.
Big pulse bomb. Nice shit.
One Mercy.
Mercy one.
Mercy's
Nice.
one. There's
Zarya running away.
Shank getting away.
Quick
Fat
jump,
group
guys.
kill.
Nice, that's we have Blade coming up. And
Alright, kill this. They're all gonna spawn. Oh, let's go from
Alright, go.
Fuck me.
It's unfortunate.
Check a profile for 1 second.
Alright, I'm moving back.
Where's he still there?
Where's his low?
Nice. I have no matrix.
get out. Okay then.
Widow's on the side near the
Peek
mega.
for healing.
Go.
Peek for healing.
Good job.
No nade.
What rank are these guys, by the way?
They're supposed to be like 3.8.
Okay.
3.8? Okay. Love how we're just way overperforming what we should be having tough games against.
Because we have
Widow's
clean
on the right.
comms.
They have a Widow.
Watch out, Anna. You know.
Yeah, no.
Winston's trapped.
Everyone
Winston's
fall back,
trapped.
spread out, and focus the tire.
They have balls.
Speed to support away.
Nice.
Nice, huge!
10 more seconds to balls.
Bro, yeah.
Okay. Look at the Ryan.
That was big bubble. Push forward.
5 more seconds balls.
Mercy one!
How did I not get a kill?
I'm low.
Anna's on the left. Anna's on main. Get the Anna. Anna's low. Anna's one. Get the Widow in the back line. Widow in the back line.
Junker 1.
Junk. Sorry on the left.
Oh, I got killed. You know what
Alright, this is losable here. Just try and get picks. Try to get a bit more distance.
Try to kill
Zarya 1. Zarya literally 1 melee. Nice. Widow back.
Hook shot.
Okay,
I'd beat you.
back.
Their Ana's here now.
Ana's on the left to spawn.
No.
We're insane.
Nice.
We're insane, boys.
I didn't need to ult once that round.
Sorry, I just warmed
They
up.
have a 3.5. They have a 3.3, and they have a
Free.
4K.
They said they were looking for
4K,
3.8.
and they have,
We're not even 2.8.
they have another 3K, almost plat, 3.4.
Wait, they were plot? Okay.
They said they were
No,
looking for 3.8.
Right. So they have like 4 diamonds, 1 master, and 1 GM.
Oh, come on, brother.
Okay.
I mean, this is kind of what, like, some
This
of us
is
were
a
looking for a cool
This
down.
is a steamroll.
For a cool down scrim.
That's kind of.
What do you want to roll on?
That's great.
It's
What do we
a-
play on defense, guys? Come on.
Alright, if we fuck up,
Ana Lucio supports. We can just go dive. I think
Look.
practicing our dive is always good for bringing up
Yeah.
our comms.
We know it's good
I
here,
agree.
probably.
I have a question.
Do you want to try this?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Duke
good.
is
That's good.
I have a
Where is it?
question.
What's the question?
If we fuck him up, can we try switching up? For like
I
an
don't want
extra-
them to think we're like throwing, or like we're trolling.
Yeah.
We're not
Let's
gonna
do
throw
stuff
it.
to learn. Let's do stuff to learn from playing properly.
Yeah, like if we just play dive, we should probably spam dive to improve our comms.
Yeah. All right. I'd say set up here, guys. This would be a good place.
I'd say,
hope-
Lucio, when they dive, just use your amp to rotate us away.
Let's have a panda on the
I'm gonna say
About
Cho.
I'd say yeah. Tanks stay there.
yeah.
I'm gonna say Cho.
I will
Yes,
play.
that's a good position. That's a good position.
I'll play point here.
Yeah, Negro, you could probably
Alright,
be
look.
further up and get some
Tanks,
spam on
don't
the
show
base.
yourselves. We're
Okay,
gonna
with
bait
that.
them. Guys, listen. Tanks, don't show yourselves. We're gonna bait them to dive and choke by
Oh yeah.
showing ourselves. and
Keep
then
your jump
tanks dive.
cooldowns. Keep your jump cooldowns.
Yeah, when they dive us, tanks counter dive. Lucio's gonna rotate us away.
Should we go here then?
Yeah, Reinhardt.
Yeah. Just poke here. Poke here.
They have a Reinhardt.
Try not to show yourselves dive characters.
Ryan's
Oh,
at
they can play
that's
Widow.
goats.
Goats. Okay.
I'll try to pink them all.
Omega.
We hack one person, we dive them immediately.
Hack Ryan or Diva or break.
Diva hack. Wait, no.
They turn around. They
Yeah,
turn
yeah.
around.
Let me know when you get a hack.
They're probably just gonna go straight to point.
We
Alright,
should
they're going
probably-
left side. They're going left side.
Right. Alright, we need to go.
I'm on point. I'm on the Zaya. Disengage.
They're all anti.
Big.
Brigade,
Big empty.
Run on.
Brig one.
Prime one.
I'm on Brigade.
Oh my god, Brig literally won. Literally won. More behind you guys. In.
Where anti?
Diva hack.
More in a Diva hacked on point. Get the Diva.
Saga.
You're down 2 right now.
More. More's half. Get more. Nice
Right,
work.
No.
Good dive.
Let me get heals. Let me get heals.
I actually don't get. I don't understand that team.
Heal Diva. Yeah, they're kind of shit.
Yeah,
Where's
like,
Diva?
you can probably get your like a lot of real from this.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't know what you meant. I should have listened earlier. That would have been better.
It's main again. I can EMP. They're good.
We dive the Brigitte and Moira first.
Nope, they're pinked.
That's nice pink, but it's too far away right now.
I set up Diva. I set up Ryan. Welcome up.
Huge. Oh.
You
Alright,
guys
they're
ready?
pushing left side again.
We're gonna MP them here.
EMP.
Huge pink.
Brigitte. Diva. Moira.
Ooh.
Stagger baby. Stagger.
Beautiful guys. Beautiful shit.
Nice
Lucio heal.
EMP.
Alright, I'm 96% B
We
too.
save Nano. We save B. We save Monkey Ult. We save Doom Pistol.
Yeah, you still have 4 ults. We only use
This
2
ult
ults.
economy is huge,
Alright,
guys.
I beat,
This ult
I beat.
economy is
We only
huge.
use 2 ults.
You can heal now. I beat. Heal now.
I'll try and focus Pharah a bit, but you guys need to watch out. Like, it's not gonna peel so much then. I'll try and see if I can focus Pharah.
I think.
You can.
Watch. Okay, down fire. Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah, I can deal
Oh,
with
let's
Farah. I can deal with Farah, don't worry.
Okay, I got one shot.
Yeah.
Diva's
Yikes.
alone.
Yikes.
I got fucked on.
Diva's hacked.
I'm on the Mercy in the back lane.
We have no heals.
Oh.
This is the last one.
Oh wait, can Lucio speed
Just
this back?
use
so
ults.
we
Use
can-
ults. We can do
Use
it.
ults. We can speed this back. Primal
Use ults,
stall.
use
Primal
ults.
stall. We have what's the portals? Okay, they.
It's lost.
Alright, boys. The problem there,
Lost.
once we realized they had Pharmacy, we probably should have stopped playing that setup and started playing together, because that setup was made for goats, and instead they played Pharmacy. That was the support call. We got picked off too early, but we should have played together.
Alright, back up Anna with me. Back up Anna.
No, the problem was, like, you died so early, so there's
Oh,
nothing you could do about it.
Yeah,
Genji.
alright, let's set up high ground here.
Yeah, we should have. Once they have pharmacy, we should have stopped. Once they stopped playing Ghost, we should have started playing together instead of playing that counter dive setup. It's good
Check
for
that
Ghost,
comp.
but for nothing else.
Check that comp.
No, we knew they had her anyway.
Oh, they don't have Zion.
They
now.
would have. They would
Oh,
have. They
whatever,
would have.
Don't dive now, on dive.
Yeah.
I
Let's
can
go
nano.
Ana. Let's go-
I can nano. Goatsy.
Where's Ana?
Alright, I'm on Lucio. Get the Lucio. Lucio's overextending.
Oh, what? I was in. I was
There's
already.
one.
Game is so bad.
Lucio's low. One Genji though.
I'm sorry, Diva, I couldn't get you there. Oh.
Genji's one.
Fine.
Ana's low in the back lane.
Guys, peek towards spawn.
No,
if you
I
want
was
heal.
99.
Alright.
I can stall this for a while.
We need to just stabilize
No,
so that
yeah,
we can get a chance to dive the back
You
lane.
contest?
No, recontest. I said.
Yeah.
Link's
I
on
go
the
now,
left.
right?
Get
Genji
one.
one.
Alright, I'm coming back now, guys. Just don't die, Diva, don't die.
I can
Alright, you
nano
guys ready?
Goatsy.
We're all back, we're all back.
Go on, Goatsy, go in.
Counter there, counter there.
On me behind. Diva on me as well.
What is that?
Diva come back.
Back to one, back to one.
You primal?
Ana's one.
Monkey on me, monkey.
Lucio on
monkey,
cat.
on me, monkey.
I'm coming,
Lucio on
coming,
phone.
God, he's
We
so
don't know.
bad.
We don't know grapple.
So bad.
I think he's the 4K.
What?
He is. Monkey's the 4K.
Those jugglers were a joke.
No. Bruh.
Come on, brother. I haven't even used nano yet. I haven't been able to nano Goatsy. This coordination is trash. Sorry.
It's fine, it's fine. Just
Oh,
where
you
are you
blocked
right
it.
now? Where are you?
I'm up top with Diva.
Can you stand further
Play on
back?
this platform. Play on this platform.
Yeah, Panda, if you stand over here, I can play around you.
They still have a nano, so
They just
Oh,
used it.
shit.
Genji,
Watch the blade,
Genji.
watch the blade.
good job, me.
Genji no
Everyone
dash
Genji.
right now. Genji no dash. Big.
I'm on the Lucio.
Bad.
Ana's in the back lane.
Ciao.
Lucio
I'm
pink.
diving on the Ana. I'm on the snipers in the back lane. The snipers are low.
Lucio
snipers
one,
are low,
Lucio
Ana's
literally
low,
one.
Ana's low.
I'm low HP in the back.
How does that Ana not dead? Oh, the-
Ana's one. Keep
Lucio
going, keep
pink.
going. Get Lucio, Lucio, Lucio. Ana's one.
No?
Lucio, Lucio. Nice. Widows in the back lane.
Diva,
Stagger,
big Diva.
stagger. Nice work, nice work.
She's gonna kill herself. Oh shit, you. Did she just walk in front of you when you Sonic arrowed, or did you?
No, I just shot from the back.
Alright. Well, we should try and stagger Baby
Nice,
Divas a
good
bit
pick.
more. Nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for pink behind them.
I'm gonna go for another pick.
I pinked a few.
Ooh, nice.
I'm
Right
lucky.
click me. I'm going across.
Yeah,
Right
back up,
click
back
me.
up.
Winston.
Monkey low, monkey low.
Huge. Good focus.
So nice anti-die.
I can
Come on,
nano you,
Lucio.
Goatsy. Go and Goatsy. Go and Goatsy.
Go.
Diva.
Oh, I didn't sleep into something.
Lucio half. Goatsy, kill Lucio, kill Lucio.
Nice.
Got him.
Genji.
No, he got me. What a bitch.
Peek spawn if you want heals. Peek spawn if you want heals.
Kill Genji, nice.
Baby Diva, it's just Baby Diva and Winston. On cap. Just Winston. He's permaling.
Break bubble.
Focus Winston now. Everyone focus Winston.
Trying to keep him off, but I can't. It's just monkey. Get monkey. One Moira.
Widow's on
Widow
bridge.
as well.
Moira's low.
Lucio,
Everybody on Moira.
Lucky low.
Lucio 1 HP. Lucio and Moira 1 HP.
Get monkey.
Monkey no leap. Nice.
Doomfist.
Do this pink.
Doomfist.
Got
Nice,
Widow.
Jody. Alright, nice work.
Nice. That was easy. We shouldn't even have lost the first point there, to be
That
honest.
wasn't even hard.
Like, we didn't adjust properly to their new comp. That's a problem.
Holy shit,
there.
that wasn't even hard, dude.
Just, yeah, but we gotta, like, focus on the mistakes we made to improve them.
Yeah, completely.
Like, we just needed to adjust to their new comp better. That's the only mistake we made. Other than that, the
Oh,
coordination was super
ready
good.
for a nice fucking EMP?
This was huge. We used literally 2 ults here and shut down their entire push. That was
Yeah,
just
that was nice.
insane. That's a huge combo.
I don't know if we even needed the
Oh
D.Va.
my god, 73.
73%.
What the fuck, dude?
Holy crap.
Do you guys want to play Lead Giant next?
Alright, I'm gonna stop the recording here and start a new one. Just so the same thing doesn't happen as last time where I lost the entire thing.